Hey folks, Dr. Brett Brennan here with Healthy Feet Podiatry. We have a patient here in the office who has a chronic case of plantar fasciitis. He said it's been going for years. So we've had kind of all the standard treatments with series of cortisone, stretching, ice, orthotics, the whole deal, and it's just not getting better. So one of the options as a secondary line of treatment is a plantar fasciotomy. There's several ways to go about doing that. The way we do it here is basically in the office with a needle. So needles are quite sharp and we can actually cut the fascia with it. Sound warning, it does sound a bit like celery getting cut, so you guys will enjoy that in the video. So we've already numbed her up. We had an injection from the side, which is like a standard plantar fascia injection from here, secondary one from the bottom, and then I have a slightly larger needle here that we'll be able to cut it with. You just let me know if you feel anything. You shouldn't. Anything sharp?
Nope.
Good. Wasn't kidding, right?
No, you weren't.
Just like it. So for the folks watching, the recovery for this is quite simple. We're cutting the fascia. We don't want it to scar back together, so we have the patient walk quickly and stretch very diligently afterwards. Other than that, there's pretty much no recovery time. There's no suture, not a whole lot of swelling. It's a really nice operation. Sounds horrible, but it's the sound of gratification, I think.
I think so.
Got any plans for Halloween?
No.
We do a murder mystery dinner every year.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You get them on Amazon. Everyone gets real into character. 70s Murder at the Disco this year. I got these platform shoes that have a fish in the heel.
Oh, no.
It's going to be extra special.
You're going to rock it out.
I wanted to wear roller skates around the house, but I was scared I'd fall.
Yeah, you might be in here getting surgery.
Exactly. So that's it. In this syringe, I also have some cortisone. So cortisone is an anti-inflammatory. Technically with this, we don't really want too much inflammation because we want it to not really heal back together. So we can just inject after we do that. Some of it spills out. Voila. So typical course is you'll be a little sore for a couple days, but realistically you'll be walking, over the weekend. And then from there, usually 2 weeks post-op, you'll come back in, you'll have a little bit of soreness and it generally migrates a little bit forward in the fascia. It's like a post-op inflammatory. Even with the cortisone, you still get inflammation. We'll do usually a final cortisone shot to take away like the inflammation from surgery. And then, if all goes to plan, it'll be pain-free for good. So all good news. If you folks have any foot or ankle problems or think you're a candidate for an in-office plantar fasciotomy, give us a call at Healthy Feet Podiatry. Thanks, guys.